Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a jQuery tutorial on freeCodeCamp. So we can use jQuery to modify the entire page. So to select the body, we can just follow the syntax here, $ quotations, parentheses, quotations, and body. And this will check out everything in the body element in your HTML and pretty much your entire page you have here. So for this exercise, you want to add the animated and hinge to your body using jQuery. So to do it, we do the $ parentheses, quotations, body to select the body, and then we add the class. Now, animated and hinge. I'm not sure what hinge does. Let's see. Oh, E. There you go, $ instead of a hashtag. That's a funny one. And that'll be all for this one and for jQuery. Thank you so much.